Okay, change of subject of formula. So when the subject of a formula is to be changed, the intention is to make the quantity become the subject to stand alone. Example 1, make u the subject of formula. Okay, in v square equals to u square plus 2as. So make h the subject of formula in p equals to or square root of 2qh over 100. Okay, so solution, v square is equals to u square plus 2ax. V square minus 2as, because if you take this 2as to the right, if you take it to the left hand side, it will change to minus 2as, which is equals to u square. So therefore u square is equals to all of this. Take the square root of both sides. Square root of u square is equals to the square root of the right hand side. The square root will cancel the square. U is equals to square root of v square minus 2as. So you have made u the subject of formula in this expression, in this formula. So the part 2, p is equals to all square root of this, and the essence is we want to make our h the subject of formula. So what do? Square both sides. In time you square both sides, you discover that the square here, p will carry square, and then all of this will carry square. So the square will cancel the square root. So our p, the square root will be gone. Our p will be equals to p square will now be equals to 2qh over 100. Cross multiply. You have 2qh times 1 is 2qh, which is equals to 100 times p square is 100 p square. So divide both sides by 2q because we are looking for h. So 2qh all over 2q, and then 100 p square all over 2q. So 2q will cancel 2q, therefore h is going to 2 here will cancel. 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 100 is 50. So you have 50p square over q. Example 2, make s the subject of formula. Make the x your subject of formula in t equals to 2x all over in all square root of x over k. Find x when t is equals to 8x x is equals to 2 and k is equals to 3. So here, when you make your s the subject of formula, then you find the exact value, substituting t for 8, x for 2, and then k for 3. So now t is equals to this expression. So you square both sides. By the time you square both sides, t will carry square. Then all of this right hand side, all will be squared. So this square will affect this 2 and x. It will become 4. 2 square will be 4. S will take the square. Then this square will cancel this square root. So you are left with x over k, and which we have here. So by the time you cross multiply, you discover that you are going to have 4s squared times x all times 1 is still 4s x squared. Then you have your t squared times k is equal to t squared k. Then divide both sides by 4s squared. By the time you divide both sides by 4s squared, you discover that you are going to have this. Then 4x square will cancel 4x square. You are left with x, which equals to t square k over 4s x square. Then t is given to be 8, so we have 8 square times k is given to be 3 all over 4 times x square is given to be 2, x is given to be 2, so we have this. So 8 square 64 times 3 all over 4 times 2 square is 4. 64 times 3 is 192, and 4 times 4 is 16, which is equals to 12.